So today we are going to make the TikToks episode part 4. So thanks for giving a lot of views on the washing machine video. And now I am going to make the TikToks episode part 4. So let's continue. Please watch this full video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel and hit the bell icon for my regular notifications. First tech news comes by Sony in just a second. See, the first tech news comes by Sony WISP510 in-ear wireless headphones with 15-hour battery life launched in India, so you guys can check it out on Amazon and let's see how it will be. So the next tech news comes by Google, saying that Google Pixel series saw more shipments than OnePlus in 2019. 52% YOY increase in shipments IDC. So yes, the Google Pixel series are more than OnePlus series. Wow, this is like wow. Alright, so the next comes by Redmi, saying that Redmi Note 9 Pro Max next sale on 17 June at 12 noon. So we will see how it will be via Amazon and me.com. So let's see how these will be, the phones will be. The next tech news comes by Samsung, saying the Samsung Galaxy M51 supported with Greek Brown 2 with Snapdragon 675 SoC, 8GB RAM. So yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy M51. Alright, so the next tech news comes by Samsung only, saying that Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live tipped in July, so it will launch in July. So let's see how it will be. So the next tech news comes by Angry Birds, making looks to women to solve growth puzzle. Alright, so let's see what is it. The next tech news comes by Samsung, saying that Samsung Galaxy Note 9 started receiving One UI 2.1 update with June 20 security patch reports. Alright, so this news is for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 users. So yeah, you guys are getting this advantage. So let's see. The next tech news comes by Google Maps may soon offer in Amitabh Bachchan's voice. So alright, so this is a nice tech news that Google Maps may soon offer navigation in Amitabh Bachchan's voice. Alright. The next tech news comes by Realme, saying that Realme band getting V8.0 update with music controls, heart rate reminders and stopwatch. Alright, this is a news for Realme bands using people. So the next tech news comes by 5 laptops you can buy for working from home. So this is a basically list, so I'm giving the link in the description of this website, so you guys can check out and then check how is these laptops and which one you want if you want to buy a laptop. The next tech news comes by Mi Notebook Pro 15 2020 to launch on June 12th. Alright, so a few days back we were getting the news that Mi Notebook will launch very soon, and the date has come 12th June, so let's see how will it be. The next tech news comes by LG, saying the LG Velvet 4G variant with Snapdragon 845 SoC may be in the pipeline, supported with Greek branch with 6GB RAM. The next tech news comes by Motorola, saying that the G7 Power starts receiving stable Android 10 updates. So yeah, it's a very good version. The next tech news comes by Google Meet, saying that Google Meet noise cancellation feature rolling out now on web version. So let's see. I am also using these days Google Meet. The next tech news comes by Honda, saying that Honda cyber attack halts plants in India and Brazil. Okay. The next tech news comes by Amazon agent by potential to break ties with police. Alright. The next tech news comes by Spider-Man into second. This is not in tech news, so we will not see this. The last tech news is a creative outlet Air True wireless earphones with apt launched in India, price at 6999. Alright, so you can check it out, launched in India. So thank you for watching this video, and I would say that stay home, stay safe, and bye bye. Hit the subscribe button and bye bye. See you.